this 5-minute solution will show you how to get YouTube Premium 1 month free trial. Follow this step-by-step guide to get YouTube Premium 1 month free trial. Open youtube.com and here click on YouTube Premium and click on Try It Free. And now we need to add credit or debit card here. So select Add Credit or Debit Card and click on Buy. And now enter here your card number. So enter your card information here. After filling this form, scroll down and click on Save Card. And now you are in the last step. Here all you have to need to start 1 month free YouTube Premium. Click on Buy and your 1 month YouTube Premium free trial will be started. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.